Known as the i30 across the pond, the 2018 Hyundai Elantra GT Sport has the Volkswagen Golf GTI in its sights. Drawn under the watchful eye of Hyundai's Chief Design Officer Peter Schreyer, the compact hatchback's sporty bodywork, clean lines, and attractive proportions make it far more fashionable than both its funky-looking predecessor and its dowdier sedan counterpart. GTI of the beholder, it takes more than crisply folded sheet metal to challenge the hot hatch royalty, however. So the Elantra GT Sport is armed with a 201 horsepower turbocharged 1.6-liter inline-4 that boasts an additional 39 horsepower over the base Elantra GT's naturally aspirated 2.0-liter. The 1.6-liter also has a plentiful 195 pounds-ft of torque available from a low 1500 RPM. And indeed, Hyundai's hottest hatch in the US never felt out of breath on our drive across the winding roads east of San Diego, and the engine displayed little turbo lag when launching hard from a stop. Merging onto Southern California's sun-scorched freeways revealed a disquieting amount of road noise entering the cabin, however. The standard 6-speed manual transmission features crisp action and well-defined gates, but its throws are on the long side, like a Christopher Nolan movie. An optional 7-speed dual-clutch automatic swaps cogs smoothly but has a tendency to rush to a higher gear to aid fuel economy. Engaging the automatic sport mode helps temper that behavior, or one can tap the steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters.